Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm running solo. Marina is at the house and she's editing some video, but I am here at the Disneyland Resort because today is the opening day of the trams. I thought I'd come by on my way to work, jump on a tram, see what the experience is like, and share that with all of you. So come join us on this episode of The Walker Chronicles. So the parking lot pretty far is so empty. It looks like they're going to have us go on over to the Pixar parking side. Hopefully it won't be too busy today. Of course, we're just here to film the tram a little bit, maybe take a ride up to the front. Because as I mentioned, I am just on my way to work. Okay, so I'm through security, and you can see all the trams lined up to get on. Let's see if we get lined up for the next one here. This is very exciting, I have to admit. I didn't think I'd be so excited, but just one more step of things being very, very normal.
Here we are, we're ready to depart. Driver, you are clear. I might have
Please stay seated until the next stop. Thank you.
I don't want to stay in line.
The walk we used to take over. So the kids see the signs are still out there and they're not too far out.
Yeah, we did Airbnb.
Traffic clear.
We are now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, one-day park-hopper tickets offer same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order tools for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme park, on our theme park, or in the downtown Disney district. If you don't want your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please prepare a picnic ticket. Just ahead is the downtown Disney district, with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar House tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated when the doors close until the tram comes to a full stop. Then, gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's place. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to your Disneyland Resort.
Alright, wait, please, wait. Remember, lower your head like the only to the left. Your drive, left, away from the street. Lift and on the left, push the door out, watch your step, please. Thank you. Have a good time, everyone.
Well, that was pretty exciting, I have to admit. I've actually gotten to the park and I'm not tired. That's pretty crazy. That never happens. Usually you walk for a good 20 minutes to get here, but it's nice that it's back.
Wait for a full and complete stop. Thank you. Welcome aboard the Mickey and Friends tram. Pull down on the handle. Lower your head, watch your step.
Legs inside while the tram is moving.
So I'm actually on the tram. I'm one of 3 people in the tram headed back to the cars, because most people, of course, are here to go to the park, but not me. I just came on the way to work to ride the tram again. It's the first time in a couple of years. Yeah, and it's pretty exciting. I wish Marina could be here, but she's home editing video. But I'm sure we will be here soon, so she can experience this as
Ladies and gentlemen,
well.
please remain seated with the doors closed.
All right, so that was pretty fun. I have to admit, I enjoyed that way more than I thought I was going to. But yeah, it's really nice to have the trams back. Who knows? Maybe I'll even start missing the walk. I know I won't in the middle of the summer, I can tell you that much. So that's it for today, everybody. And we hope you enjoyed the short video. But until next time, we will see you on the next episode of The Walker Chronicles.